Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a NAS100 in MT5 Mobile. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to locate and add NAS100 to your MetaTrader 5 mobile app so it appears in your quotes list. Depending on your broker, this instrument may appear under a slightly different name, and in this example, we'll search for UseTech100, which is a common listing for NAS100 on MT5. To begin, open the MT5 app on your mobile device. Once the app launches, give it a moment to load fully so all menu options are visible and responsive. You'll want to make sure you're on the main trading interface before moving to the next step. Next, look toward the bottom left side of the screen and tap on Quotes. This section displays the instruments currently available in your watch list, including currency pairs, indices, and other markets you may already be tracking. If NAS100 is not currently listed there, that's completely normal, and the next steps will help you add it. After that, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen. This button opens the Simple Search and Instrument list, which is where you can manually look up assets that are not yet visible in your Quotes tab. This is the area you'll use whenever you want to add additional markets to your MT5 mobile watch list. In the search field, enter UseTech100. Be sure to type it carefully so the correct result appears. On many MT5 setups, NAS100 is listed under alternative names like this rather than simply showing as NAS100. If your broker uses this naming format, searching for UseTech100 should help you find the right index quickly. Once the matching result appears, tap on the result to add it. When selected, the instrument is added to your quotes list, allowing you to view its live price and access it more easily for charting or trading. After tapping it, you can return to the quotes screen and confirm that the symbol now appears in your watch list. If you don't see the exact result right away, it may be because your broker uses a slightly different symbol variation. But in this process, the key step is selecting the displayed matching result after entering the search term. And that's it. You've successfully added NAS100, listed here as UseTech100, to MT5 Mobile. Once it appears in your quotes list, you'll be able to monitor the market more easily and access it whenever needed.